Essential conjunctive adverbs you must know in Chinese. In this video, we are going to learn 比如. So first, what is 比如? 比如 means for example. You can use it to answer almost any kind of question started with what, because your answer is probably some nouns. Let's look at an example. What are your hobbies? 你有什么爱好? 你 you 有 have 什么 what 爱好 hobby 你有什么爱好? Well, you can say I have lots of hobbies. For example, running, tennis, and swimming. 我有很多爱好，比如 yes, that's the word 比如 for example 跑步 running 打网球 play tennis 和游泳 and swimming. Well, this sentence sounds much better than you simply say 我会跑步打网球和游泳 which means I can run, play tennis, and swim. Because you are using 比如 and you are connecting words together and you are making the sentences much longer and meaningful. Well, let's look at another example. What country have you been to? 你去过什么国家? 你 you 去过 have been to 什么 what 国家 country 你去过什么国家? I have been to many countries. For example, Singapore, Japan, and China. 我去过很多国家，比如新加坡、日本和中国。Well, this sentence sounds much better than you say 我去过新加坡、日本和中国 because you are using 比如 and you are connecting words and sentences and make your sentence much longer. Well, let's see another example. What fruit do you like? 你喜欢什么水果? 你 you 喜欢 like 什么 what 水果 fruit. I like many fruits. For example, apple, strawberry, and durian. 我喜欢很多水果。比如 that's the word 比如 for example 苹果 apple 草莓 strawberry 和榴莲。我喜欢榴莲 I like durian. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I like it. Well, there are some other examples like what do you do in the weekends? Well, you can simply say I do a lot of things in the weekends. For example, 比如 going to the park, going to the shopping mall, reading at home. Another example is like, what subjects do you like in school? You can say, I like many subjects in the school. For example, 比如 math, science, music, etc. So, for all questions started with what, you just need to first give a confirmed answer, yes, and then you say 比如, and then you can start listing some nouns. It makes your sentence longer and more meaningful. That sounds very easy, right? So I hope 比如 will be your best friend when you are trying to listing some nouns for an answer, starting with what. 谢谢, thank you.